Installing an E3.S CMM drive cage and backplane. For the E3.S drive cage, install the backplane assembly in the cage. Fasten the 4 screws to secure the backplane assembly. Connect the signal cables to the backplane. For the E3.S CMM cage, connect the signal cables to the backplane. Install the backplane assembly in the cage. Fasten the 4 screws to secure the backplane assembly. To install the cage, make sure that the latch is in the open position. Slide the cage into the chassis until the guide pin on the chassis is seated in place. Press the latch down to secure the cage. Connect the signal cables to the system board assembly. Connect the power cable to the backplane. Secure the cables by routing them into the space between the cable wall and the chassis. Install the system fan cage. Install the air baffle. If necessary, reinstall the drives, CMMs, CMM fillers, or drive fillers and cage cover. Install the top cover.